A rectangle is divided into three regions of equal area. One of the regions is an equilateral triangle. So this is the equilateral triangle with side length 4 cm and the other two are trapeziums. So what is the side length of the smaller of the parallel sides of the trapezium marked X? So we need to find this length. So obviously we'll start with the triangle. That's the easiest place to start in this case. So we've been given the side length, so they will all be 4 centimeters. So we can say the area of the equilateral triangle that would be equal to, you use the formula root 3 out of 4 times side square. In this case the side is 4, so that is equal to 4 root 3 centimeters square. So that is the area of the equilateral triangle. So now they have given us that the rectangle is divided into three regions of equal area. So if this area is 4 root 3, so will this area be 4 root 3, and this will also be 4 root 3. So we can say area of the rectangle is equal to 4 root 3 multiplied by 3 regions, so that would be 12 root 3 centimeters square. Now you see, in the rectangle we know the length is 4, we don't know the width. Okay, we know some of the width, that is x, and then if we extend this line, if we were to extend this line, if I am going to extend this line, so that would be the same as the length of the rectangle. So if I call this line as AB and C, so ABC or AB equals L, that equals length of the rectangle. So there's a bit we don't know. We don't know what BC is, but we can find that out because I know that being an equilateral triangle, so what would happen is, if BC is perpendicular to the base, that would be the height of the triangle. So I can find what BC is. So I can find that using half times the base, which is 4 times the height, is area, that is 4 root 3, and I cancel out the 4, so the height is 2 root 3. So L, so this is 2 root 3, so L, or the length, would be x plus 2 root 3. So what I will do is, I know the area of the rectangle and I will use that to find x. So x plus 2 root 3 is the length multiplied by the width, or the width, whichever you call it. I think I did it the other way around, but it doesn't matter. So if this was the length, so then that multiplied by the width, which is 4, or multiplied by the length, ignore that. So multiplied by 4 should give you the area of the rectangle, which is 12 root 3. So then 4 times 3 is 12. So I can write x plus 2 root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. So I can subtract, suds. So 3 minus 2, 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3, that would give me root 3. So I get x is root 3 centimeters, and that's the answer.